Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting unboxing and testing video for you. It is the Hero Rover remote control car. The Rover remote control car comes with a sleek design and sturdy construction. This wonderful 1/15 scale model with a 2.4 GHz remote control is exceptionally carefully and precisely made. And, as you can see, this remote control car is packed in a very nice colorful box. Let's get started. Are you ready? First things first, let's see what's inside. Ah, here we go. This remote control car comes with a wireless controller, a charging cable, and rechargeable batteries. Guys, I am really excited to see how this remote control car works. Do you know that the remote control of this car has a key to open or close the front doors? The battery life of this car is impressive, giving us around 20 minutes of non-stop action. When it's time to recharge, simply connect the included USB cable to the car and a power source. The charging time is relatively quick, so you won't have to wait too long to get back on the road. And here is the remote control that comes with this car. This remote control has a simple design with two joysticks that control the car's movements. This remote control is made from high-quality materials. This remote control has a key to open or close the front doors. This remote control requires two 1.5 volts batteries, size AA, which are not included in the box. As you can see, this remote control car is securely packaged with metal screws to prevent any damage during shipping. There are 4 screws. So, let us now remove these screws using a screwdriver. This Rover remote control car has big, non-slip, and rugged tires. Now, let's take a closer look at the car's features. The car has 2 front doors that you can open or close using the key on the remote control. This remote control car also has an anti-collision shell. At the bottom of this remote control car, you can find the batteries compartment and the on or off switch. I find this Rover remote control car driving better on flat areas, despite the fact that the Rover remote control car is an off-road car. Now, let's see this remote control car in action. Let's give it a test drive. I am going to test this car on different surfaces. Watch this remote control car as it drives smoothly on different flat surfaces. This RC car features a sleek design, and its body is made of high-quality materials that give it a sturdy and durable feel. Its durable construction, powerful performance, and user-friendly controls make this remote control car a joy to drive. This remote control car delivers an enjoyable and precise driving experience. Wow, that was cool. Let's give it another try. This car is fun, exciting, and provides hours of entertainment. As I mentioned earlier in this video, I find this Rover remote control car driving better on flat surfaces, despite the fact that the Rover remote control car is an off-road car. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced RC enthusiast, this car won't disappoint.